Shibaura Machine, Episode 0. On March 18, 1949, Shibaura Machine Works Co. was founded. At this time, national policy for post-war reconstruction focused upon redeveloping heavy industry. In 1952, the Hobbing Machine Committee was formed with the goal of manufacturing the first large hobbing machine in Japan. The next year, in 1953, the HRS 500 master gear hobbing machine, whose main operation was milling master worm gears, was completed. The first component produced was the ring gear for a large vertical boring and turning mill used to machine turbine blades for the Sakuma Dam, which became a symbol of Japan's reconstruction. The measured values already surpassed what was then the world's highest level of precision. Our predecessor, Shibaura Machine Tool Company, manufactured large machine tools. But as times changed, ongoing growth in the existing market could not be expected. We therefore explored how to diversify our business based upon our technology and expertise in manufacturing large machine tools. In 1945, we launched our textile and printing press businesses. And in 1949, we launched the dye business. The textile business succeeded in getting large orders for reeling machines from large textile manufacturers. At one time, the textile business grew to account for 70% of all of our business. In the 1950s, Japan entered the era of high economic growth and mass production. The textile business was closely linked to the lives of ordinary citizens, and the buying intentions and preferences of consumers became a driver for creating new value. Born from this were the three businesses of extrusion molding, die casting, and injection molding. Of these, the die casting business completed the first oil hydraulic die casting machine in Japan in 1953, ahead of other companies. This succeeded in greatly expanding the market. The two companies of Shibaura Machine Works and Shibaura Machine both share the name of Shibaura, but their histories took different paths. However, through the many efforts of our predecessors, the two companies once again merged in 1961. The strengths reunited under the name Shibaura have been passed down and retained. We will maximize customer value by harnessing synergies which transcend our business. We think of this as bringing together the Shibaura spirit of manufacturing, which resides in each of us. And now, in 2020, Toshiba Machine Company will become Shibaura Machine Company. Together with the spirit of manufacturing embodied in the name Shibaura, our story continues.